Right from the initial design consultation stage of this campus, it was decided that these two lakes would be dug. These lakes are used to irrigate the campus, so we don't rely on any town water at all. One of the things I'm a bit proud of is instigating this island in the middle of the lake over here. That allows the water birds, the ducks and the water hens and those sorts of things to nest away from foxes and cats. This campus was a dairy farm and has been extensively cleared for that reason. We've introduced some plants in and around the buildings, but there's still a lot of grass here. But we're standing now in the arboretum. This was actually first planted in 2014. In that time there were 17,000 plants planted. Growth has been phenomenal. This is a macadamia tree, Macadamia integrifolia. And we're not sure whether this was an original native plant endemic to this site or whether it's been planted by some previous occupant of the land, but right from the very start we decided that it's been worth preserving, and while everything else was cleared around it, this tree was protected and it's still bearing fruit, and people wander out at lunchtime and crack a few macadamia nuts.